Okay, there we go. Wait, there's no Osu audio. Oh my god. Where's my
Oh,
Osu audio? That's just great. Add. Where is it? Osu audio. Let's go take audio from this. There you go. Okay, we have audio now in this panel. Oops.
okay. Wait, let me
Alright,
check.
welcome everyone to Watermelon Cat versus Big Bob for quarterfinals of 5-digit Touhou Cup 3. I'll be commentating. I'm Rachel. I'll be commentating with VDC.
Hello. Can't wait to see this match. I'm
Yep.
gonna check the bracket to see. This is winners.
Yeah, this is winners.
All right.
They're doing picks and bans right now, so just gonna go straight into it, I think. Let me
All right.
go on the map pool tab first. There will be no warm-ups, and yes, everything works. Okay, here we are. So blue team's gonna get second ban, and the red team's gonna get first pick, and is gonna ban Hard Rock 2 straight away. Blackout. Print mode, red ban. There we go.
Yeah, they probably don't have people for precision. Maybe they don't have all four. We didn't get to see the players of each team, so I'll read them out. Watermelon Cat, they have Speed of Snail, Haley, 47, that's Steve, Kukulu, Cinefly, Goofster, Mr. Business, and John Osu. While Big Bob, they have Malcolm, Theo, Lucani, Miguel on H2O, Necroplasma, Neo Blazer 20, Mini Sean, and Alman Mal.
Yep. And they're gonna ban no more for Hard Rock 3. So
Ooh.
right away, only one Hard Rock left in the pool, and it's Darkflight Dreamer.
Yeah.
Guess neither of these teams want to play Hard Rock. And I guess, considering they banned Hard Rock 3, No Mod 4 being pretty rhythmic is also like basically a similar ban.
Yeah. Probably
There's
not feeling it on the act side. So if you want to act game, maybe, yeah, the red team could act game the blue team.
and the last ban is No Mod 5, another precision map. So one team banning all the precision and the other team banning all the rhythm. Uzu still has a little bit of
Interesting.
rhythm. I don't know what my audio is doing.
Don't worry, that's just Tony Klein things.
Yeah, there we go. Seems better. First pick goes to Watermelon Cat. What are they gonna pick? What do we think?
Probably some. Oh, I was gonna say tapping or reading, but yeah, I
Yeah, I
guess
was gonna say
tapping.
reading as well. Okay, No Mod 2. Xenophantasm. Arguably one of the easier maps in the pool, because it's really straightforward, pretty short and farmy, even though it's higher SR than the rest. It's a map
It's
that,
one of those stream mappers that are tend to be on the comfortable side of like mapping streams.
yeah.
Oh, is that a name change? Strike Villathon?
Wait, from who?
For the blue team.
Who is Almond Mal? That does look like a name change. I don't actually know who it is.
Yeah, I'm trying to investigate right now. That is Neo Blazer 20.
Okay. Interesting.
for context on the messages here, Almond Mal is hosting a tournament, an invitational tournament, and the acronym is AIDS. Okay, so here we go. I think they're about to start number 2. Red team's first pick, Watermelon Cat's first pick. See Simi Fly, Haley, John Oshu, and Gooster for their team. Well, Big Bob, they have Malcolm, Shirk Billathon, and that's gonna be hard to say, Almond Mal, and Mini Sean.
Oh, and first map of the day, 3 panics to have. Awesome. Also, Mini Sean
Cool.
can also be called Zyron, if you want to say that. If not, Mini Sean works just fine.
Oh, I see.
Will the map start? I just talked about him and he's the only one loading.
Yeah, it didn't skip. The first break from the streams is Macom. Should be a chill part here.
Actually,
Again, it's
like, not even close right now with the accuracy. Haley, like, still holding it, and that's generating a lot of score compared to the others for some reason. Every single accuracy is pretty low right now, aside from that one.
yeah, it could be all about the combo here because this is a pretty short map for Noah 2. Oh, huge break from Simi Fly.
Breaks, yeah. Not looking good for Watermelon Cats.
Another break from Simi Fly. He's been struggling at this stream spot.
Yeah, they're keeping 3 high accuracy FCs, but if Semifly keeps breaking, it won't do it, and he does. The score is
it's so
finally
close.
switching over to red team.
Yeah, this is interesting. There's 600 more combo from Macom, but like
Yeah, I think it
close,
spikes
but
a
it's
little bit at the
increasing.
end. And there's one break from Big Bob, followed by another Semifly break, but the accuracy difference is making them in the lead still. Is everyone gonna hit the end? John Osu breaks, Macam breaks, Minishon breaks. And the point goes to blue team, being a lot more consistent on the map, I guess. Actually, not really. It was mostly on... like, everything was decided at the end, almost.
Yeah, you see 3 FCs here from Haley, Gooster, and Almond Mal, but Haley with that 99.5, just
Yeah,
5 100s.
definitely carrying on the AC advantage here.
So yeah, that does it. Your first point is for Watermelon Cat on their own pick. Time for Team Blue, Big Bob to choose theirs. HR1.
Okay, well, that's it for the Hard Rock pool. GG's. We're getting Dark Flight
Yes.
Dreamer first pick.
Pretty much all of them touched. I mean, similar to there's quite a few streams there. Not as intense, obviously, but like the aim is gonna be the one that catches you here.
Yeah, and similar to to No Mod 2 again, this map gets pretty spiky near the end. Like the last third has 3 spikes at like 6.6 star on Hard Rock,
Oh, yeah,
which
for
is making
sure.
the whole SR, and the rest of the map is slightly lower. So the ending is gonna matter, and consistency throughout the first 2/3 of the map is gonna matter a lot.
Should be fine if you're. It's a very popular map. If you're an Unk farmer, this was in your top place at one point.
Yeah. Sadly, we are not getting Dark Flight Dreamer topless anymore. This used to be
Still
peak.
good. check the FP link actually.
Oh yeah, we don't have the MP link. I can probably get it. Unless Pilot's in the chat. If I can find the reference sheet.
I think we're seeing our first appearance for Kukulu here. I think the Big Bob will have all 4 of their players from the previous map in here. Probably their mechanics core here in this HR1 about to start.
Yeah, basically the same lineups as Numa 2 aside from QQ indeed. How do I edit the commands for the MP? Actually no.
It's like edit command.
Is it? Yeah, edit CMD something. It's the match ID 13.
Saw a break from Simi Fly and Mini Sean. Mini Sean breaks again. So in this first chorus, you'll see like bigger jumps than the verse for sure. So it might catch a few people. You see Kukulu breaking. So does Gooster. Score still close, but now it's like 3-2 in
3
favor
to
of...
1, actually.
Oh.
Yeah, it's been 3 breaks on the side of Watermelon Cat.
Akum does break though.
They're still holding because of the accuracy again.
Pretty close in terms of score coming into the second verse here. Oh, that's big breaks
Another
from
break.
Minishan traded by Kukulu. I'm on Mal also.
And another random break from New Blazer. It's just 2 FCs left on the board. With a better recovery from Watermelon Cat right now. If this keeps going, they're gonna run away with a point. With a break point, actually.
It is increasing towards Team Red side here. Haley holding really well. Simi Fly Gooster supporting also really well.
Yeah, and it's still just 1 FCs on Big Bob. With only 1 supporting combo. Haley breaks!
Oh, Haley breaks.
This could be it if Schwarbillathon, I can't pronounce that. Holds until the end. So with a 99.7 or 99.35? I can't read. I think 35.
Yeah, but as you said a while ago, there's difficulty spikes on the jumps here.
Yeah, Simify also breaks though. Hits the stream. The scores are not budging much though, because there's 2 decent supporting combos on Watermelon Cat, and they still have the accuracy advantage. They're gonna need another break from one of those recovering combos.
Here's some huge jumps incoming here.
And Almond Mal is the only one to break. QQ finally breaks, but... And Gooster finally breaks. But there's just not enough time at all. That is an insane FC though. That is... Or actually they lost a bit of accuracy at the end, but... Still... 1 million score. Unfortunately not enough to get this first point. When did the song change like that? The hell?
No, that's the...
Is that the applause?
That's the... Yeah, applause.
Oh, I should probably remove that. Or later on.
Yeah, nice score, 98.8 FC. That's probably like 400 PP. Somewhere around there. You could probably smoke a curse word, but probably wouldn't encourage that. DT2.
Wait,
So we got a speed map in
did
here.
she smoke that word? I
No, I
didn't
don't
actually
think
see
so.
it. Yeah, okay. Unless we're blind. Or maybe we just don't have smoke on the skin. That could be something.
Ooh, that's kind of smart actually.
I don't know if you have
We
it.
got... Yeah, I wasn't really looking in there.
Oh, DT2. This map is the highest SR map in the pool and it's like
By a long shot.
0.3%, 0.3 above. But it's also the map that has the highest average so far, I think, on the other matches, from what I've seen.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because
Interesting.
it's so comfortable. It's actually farm.
Yeah, I was gonna say the tapping is pretty alright. It does feel like one of those farm maps, but
Definitely fits the SR despite the map SR.
yep. Seeing a first appearance from Lucani.
So who are we going to see for Watermelon Cat? Goofster Haley for sure. Who else plays tapping? John Osu? Actually, John Osu. I pulled this map for a French tournament like a few months ago, and he was one of the replayers, and he, well, seed the map with low accuracy. Oh.
I'm like
Do you
that
think he's
with
improved in
DD2s
tapping
also.
though?
Right, I could have see a DD2 in a replay, but get 200k in match.
Yeah. This map's pretty comfortable though. I feel like if you have the tapping for it, it's difficult to miss.
I see. Seems like the mainstays for Team Red is Goofster, Haley, and Simify with one rotating player.
Yeah.
Kind of similar on the other team. They have Makum, Almond Mal, and Shrek Billathon as their mainstays. One rotating player. Early break from Shrek Billathon.
Actually, I mean, right now, I feel like the players that we're seeing is mostly because we've been on No Mod 2, Hard Rock 1, DT2. So it's all like somewhat tapping related, or, well, Hard Rock 1 is the kind of map tapping players can also play.
I see. Makum kind of struggling. He's missed twice before this chorus here. While Team Red, they have all of C's so far.
Yeah. Also, don't understand why the accuracy is so far down. Like, I mean, as in like on the overlay, like it's just pushed forward down into the mod like the mod cards. Icons.
Before the second verse, you see a lot of misses here. People are starting to get a bit fatigued by the rhythms.
Yeah. Sold 2 FCs to 1 for Watermelon Cat. 1 MC to 1, actually. Better accuracy on the side of Haley, but it doesn't matter if she ever breaks. Combos are pretty even, slightly on the advantage of Watermelon Cats, same as the accuracy, I think. Yeah.
It's kind of, yeah, it's purely on the advantage of Team Red here. Watermelon Cat, they're gonna have the lead by 400k.
Haley breaks on the slow part. What?
Interesting.
What? New Blizzard has the chance to hold until the end and potentially bring it back. let me see the score. There's like 400k. I don't think there's enough time regardless, unless there's a complete collapse on the side of Watermelon Cat.
It's gonna take a bunch of at drops and chain misses for Team Red to lose this one. But Almond Mallow though, impressive score here. An FC on this DT2.
Yeah. Wait, it's not an FC.
Oh,
We got baited. Still pretty close to an
Either-
FC.
yeah. S-Rank from Goofster here. The Watermelon Cat now has 3 points to 0.
Yeah, pretty safe second pick for them. Actually, all of their points have been decently safe so far.
Yeah, maybe we could see a shake-up from Big Bob, a different skill set from Mechanics.
Yeah, we still haven't seen any reading or hidden. So... Oh, my
Maybe
ears.
some alt.
We have some ult as well. What do we have? All the free mods? We've seen them have really strong hard rock players. Maybe they have strong hidden players and could do well on hard rock, on the free mods. And it's hidden 3.
Marco's pointing out here that Big Bob has 3 players down.
Oh, that's not very great. Wait, who are they missing? I haven't actually checked.
Well, they only played 5. I think we haven't seen, out of the players, we haven't seen Theo, Miguel on H2O, and Necroplasma. We haven't seen those
Okay,
three
yeah,
guys.
that's pretty rough. That's some good
Yeah,
players missing.
Yeah, Theo is like their second pick.
That's pretty unfortunate. Theo Line would probably have seen this map that we're gonna see right now. Miguelon is also insanely good. And I don't know much about Necroplasma, except that they've mapped reading maps for tournaments, I think. Or hidden, not sure.
Guess a badge from last Touhou Cup.
Oh, it's interesting. What are you saying, Mark, here? What happened to their missing players, by the way? Did they just not wake up, or what?
Holy, it's kind of early. This
It's
definitely
not that
favors
early.
AU scheduling.
Like, there's no way. Not at 11 AM for some of them.
I mean, as a PH player, like perspective of PH players, they absolutely hate playing in the morning. I feel them.
I guess. I like playing in the morning. Like,
Oh, yeah.
11 AM for
I
me
know
is my peak time.
Ooh. After like a morning routine, you just start to grind. That would be
Yeah.
nice.
Same lineup for Big Bob, except missing Macrum. And we're seeing Steve for the first time for Watermelon Cat.
I mean, I know it's hidden 3, but we got another stream map here. It's been a lot of streams so far.
Wait, is this a stream map? I don't remember much. I thought it was like...
There are streams.
Oh, yeah.
A few early misses, maybe just getting used to the hidden from John, Osu, and Minishan. This from Almond Mal. Minishan also struggling a little bit. Score's gonna move towards Watermelon Cat here. But it's gonna be all about those streams in the choruses. To see who can flow in this AR 9.2 hidden. Few misses from Team Blue on the top side. There's 3 breaks. Only John Osu broke for Team Red, but Haley towards the end there breaks. But that lead is increasing for them, almost 300k score difference. Team Red can kind of just chill here. Steve does break,
Hello?
and Haley. Ooh, this could be a comeback. There's
is.
huge combos now.
Yeah,
for
it's
Team
still
Blue.
just Goofster with 99 on blue team. Actually, blue team has pretty good accuracies.
Oh,
Same as red team, actually.
now it's Goofster with the only big combo. Full reset
Okay,
for Big Bob.
what did I miss? I just wasn't looking for half a second, and
Yeah,
there's
it's
just no
Goofster
combos
with the
left.
combo.
What is that?
Never mind. Yeah, really intense on the reading on that flow you see there. And Team Red's gonna get that 500k score difference. That's an S rank from Goofster. 880k, almost an FC. Really good score. Bring them up 4-0. And it's Watermelon Cat's pick. And they instantly pick Freemod 3. If I'm not mistaken, this Freemod 3 is all their bursts in there.
Wait, this map is so easyable.
You think
Are
so?
we going to see an easy? Yeah, I saw red 3 missed it, I think.
Ooh.
I mind blocked it,
could
and now I
see-
can only do 10 misses, but it is so
Let's
easyable.
see Steve. Maybe Steve.
Yeah, I don't see anyone else in the lobby that could easy this. Maybe Theoline if he was there. But they'd probably go hidden anyways, because it's more score.
Yep. Could see a shake-up on the lineups for Team Red. Big Bob, however, has to work with their 5 players. So 2 of their perma lobbies for Watermelon Cat in right now. Definitely gonna see Haley and maybe Steve on the easy.
I feel like he's gonna go hidden anyways, because it's more score. But it would be pretty aura if he went easy.
He might as well. I mean, if he knows that the other team has
Yeah, 3 missing players.
Yes. Yeah. Marco didn't have to say that. He kind of snitched, but whatever. L stall. Oh, See Me Fly might have to leave soon.
I mean, if blue team loses players and red team has players waking up, this might change things.
Yeah, this could be an interesting storyline developing.
I mean, red team is still... Wait, I keep messing up red team and blue team because the bench
Oh, the
client,
attorney client.
it's
Yeah.
like reversed. I should hide it with the
I feel you.
laser wand. There you go. Now I can't see it.
I wonder if Big Bob can just time out and wait for Fly to leave.
We are seeing Steve in the lineup, but will it be easy?
Ooh, we ran through the song once. Wonder what we're waiting for. This is a crazy stall. I don't think the timer is 3 minutes.
Has there been a timeout yet? I don't think there's been.
Yeah, not sure what's going on. Well, blue team has their players in now.
Everyone's loaded in. We're gonna see the mods. No easy.
Oh, I can't read those mods, man.
Yeah, so Goofster went hidden, Steve went hidden, and Haley went hard rock. Well, actually, you can kind of see on the gameplay.
Right, yeah, you see
Semi-final is gonna
Almond
be the
Malon
no mod
hidden.
for Watermelon Cat, and Shwerk Pillathon is gonna be the no mod for Big Bob. Interestingly, 2 hard rocks for Big Bob. And 2 hiddens for Watermelon Cat. Some playtesters said that hard rock made the map easier for them, so I can understand why people would go hard rock over hidden. The map can get
Can
pretty
understand
dense
that.
without hard rock.
Still full combos for Watermelon Cat here. Only one FC for Big Bob. It's a crazy showing of consistency for Watermelon Cat. This score is just only gonna grow as Almond Mal and Mini
When
Sean can
Siren
breaks.
Slider breaks on the hard rock there. There's no more FCs for Big Bob. Like, this is so one-sided. Like,
I don't
there's
want
just
to
nothing
call
to say.
anything,
Oh.
but
There we go. One break on red team.
there's insane consistency right now. We have 3,900 combos for Watermelon Cat. 3 S ranks.
Lol something. I can't read that. Sorry, Gooser, your writing is not very good. No flame. It's just like that.
Insane.
Still 3 FCs though. And 2 really good supportings. I mean, not supportings. Recoveries. For Blukini and Shark Blueathon.
What can you do with 1 million score lead?
Easy.
If I finally break, so does Haley. Let's see if Steve can bring it home.
Blukini breaks. Unfortunately, it will not be the best Harlock score in the lobby. So, really great scores from Blukini and Shark Blueathon. But, yeah, the combos on Watermelon Cat were pretty insane.
Yeah, total of 1 miss from Watermelon Cat.
And also a B rank 420k from Minishan. Like, that is impressive.
I just caught a glimpse of Speed of Snail there. Let's see if he plays anything. Nomad 3
Ooh,
pick for Big Bob.
number 3. We might see Yellow Jello, maybe?
Oh, right.
Who's in the chat? If they're good at alt. Um, Probably still gonna see Haley. Probably gonna see Steve. And for
Is
Team
his name
Blue,
still Mr. Business?
um, I'm not sure. Probably?
Yeah, still Mr. Business. Maybe we could see first appearance. We see Speed of Snail.
Hello, Winnie. Mr. John Osu. And we will not see Snail, apparently.
Come on, might as well play.
Well, I mean, Hidden 2
I
is still
feel you.
up there. So, like, if they lose this pick, still a chance.
Yeah, true.
Who knows? There it is. Mr. Business. Hoping in for the business.
Yeah, he means business.
Gooser and Haley still perma lobbies.
Yeah, no more
Same
Simi
as
Fly,
Short
but
Goalathon.
that's probably because Simi Fly had to leave.
Oh, yeah. There we go. I clicked on sync music instead of panic. Going into potentially the last map or the first point of Big Bob.
Yeah. 1% chance, 99% faith for Big Bob right now.
In Short Goalathon we trust. They've been playing really well the whole match. And perma lobby.
Yeah, for sure.
But the start of the map is not looking very good. We've got one break
Ooh,
on
the
one
business.
cat. 2 breaks. But traded with Lucani, so just 1 FC to 2. Yeah, Jack 3. I sure hope Haley will FC the map. Yeah. I mean, still constant breaks on the side of Big Bob. Just holding on with that 1 FC to dear life. Against 2 FCs and 1 supporting now. Oh, wait! Double break from a Haley and Steve! Lucan and Yellow are matched, but there's just only 1 FC on the board. You can generate just about 500k score right now, or 400k. It could be enough if, well, or maybe not. That is pretty
Yeah,
unfortunate.
Lucani is the highest combo, but he's matching the business.
The business. And the business falls down. There is no business to be had here.
He goofed up. Yeah, good combo right now for Lucani 900, but unfortunately that's not enough.
Yeah, 350k score difference on this map. Honestly, they could have very well won the map if they had all the players, because this looked pretty promising. They're definitely missing 2 players on that lineup though, unfortunately.
Yeah.
That is a really nice S rank from Short Billathon, and it's also really nice recovery from Lucani.
Nice 99 from Haley.
Yeah.
So there you have it. It's a sweep for Watermelon Cat.
An unfortunate sweep, considering the circumstances, but that's how it is.
Yeah. Absolute scheduling masterclass.
Yeah, seems like it. That's it. GG's Watermelon Cat. GG's just Speed of Schnell, Haley, 47W47, QQLU, that we've only seen once. Surprisingly. Simi Fly, Gooster, Mr. Business, and John Osu. We've seen everyone except Snail. And it's just pretty good, like, scheduling for them, I guess. But it's not the end for the other team, for Big Bob, because this was winner bracket, so we're still gonna see them in semifinals loser bracket next week. And Watermelon Cat is gonna advance on the winner bracket against I don't actually know. Against someone. Some team. Where can I see that? Bracket schedule.
Guess we'll figure out when the matches
Oh yeah, we
are
don't
done.
know yet. They will not be facing Burger Queen, is all we know. That is on the other side of the bracket for them.
Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'm VDC and streamer, and with me was Rachel.
Yep. Thanks Pilot for reffing the match, and thanks to the players for playing. That's all.
Yeah, well played. GG's.
Wait, let me check the schedule again, or like show the next matches, because I think Majiro is gonna stream that schedule. There we go. Next match is 4 hours from now. Glitter versus Core Crash. That will be streamed with you as a commentator, I think? So I'm not sure. Or was that the previous match? No, it is.
No.
You are signed up on that.
Yeah, I am, but like
Okay.
I'm actually not sure if I could. But like,
Alright.
yeah,
It will be
stay tuned
streamed
for that.
regardless, so check it out. Okay, that's it. Bye bye. GG's.
Bye.